we talk about male, जिसमें जेंट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, और we talk about जेंट्स और बॉयज के बारे में बात करना है, दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड मेल. मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर यू कैन सेंड मेल. फेमिनाइन जेंडर इज व्हाट इन विच वी टॉक अबाउट फीमेल और गर्ल, that is what is called feminine gender. Common gender in which we both talk about both male and female, like parents, sister, friend, enemy. Okay, then manager, engineer, doctor, so all this come in common gender. Neuter gender is this which is called in which non-living things are there. Non-living things means this which does not have life. Table, chair, pencil box, blackboard, marker, all this. So all these comes in non-living things. So that is what is called neuter gender. So we have studied masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. So I had given you the exercise of C part. Let's do that exercise. C1. Matching. I will be writing only the answers of that. You write the matching of that. Okay. Masculine, we have to write the feminine of that. I am writing the question. First one, milkman. Who will tell me the answer of this? Milkman. Arav, yes, Arav.
Ma'am, milk woman.
Milk woman. Okay. Milkman. Milk woman. No, beta, it is not milk woman. You don't call milk woman. Do you know the answer of that? It is not called milk woman. It is called milk maid. Milkman का क्या होता है? Milk maid. Got it, Arav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, now next one. Nephew. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Nephew. Feminine of nephew.
Nice. Nice.
Niece. It is नहीं, nice नहीं बोलते, उसको बोलते हैं niece. What we call that? Niece. What we call that?
Okay, ma'am.
Niece. Okay. Now third one. Monk. Mute yourself. Nityang. Nityang.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Nityang. Yeah, my voice is coming, Nityang.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, हमने
हाँ.
मैम हमारे से हो गया.
What हो गया? क्या हो गया? What happened?
मैं हेरस में गलती से हो गया.
Some other children. Some other children. Pavni. Pavni.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pavni.
Ma'am, monkey.
है? Monkey?
Yeah.
Monk. Beta, which chapter you have opened? Monkey is not there. Nothing. Monk. Feminine of monk.
Ma'am, पता नहीं.
Okay, okay. Mute yourself. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Many children don't know this. Monk is nun. Feminine of monk is nun. What will be the female of monk? Nun. Okay. Now fourth one. Waiter. Waiter. Yes, Aditya. Waiter. Feminine of waiter. Aditya, unmute yourself. Aditya. Okay. Ayan, okay, Ayan. Aditya's voice is not coming. Okay, Ayan, what is the feminine of waiter?
Waitress.
Waitress, very good. Waitress, mute yourself. Waitress. Feminine of waiter is waitress. Okay. Okay. Next one. Sir. Aditya Bansal. Feminine of sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Feminine of sir. Yes, Aditya, what is the feminine? Female में हम sir का female क्या होता है? What is the female of sir? अरे in school you do say na sir, and what is the female teacher called?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, or you can say ma'am, or you can say madam also. Okay, ma'am is also correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir, madam. Okay, now mute yourself. Next one is hunter. Hunter. Maitri. Yes, Maitri. Yes. Beta, what is the female of hunter?
Female of hunter.
Female of hunter. Yes, Maitri. What is the female of hunter?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, mute yourself. Who will tell me the answer of this? Female of hunter.
मैम ने कोई बात नहीं करी.
Maitri, mute yourself, beta. Beta, raise your hands. Gopal.
मैम
Yes.
मैम हंटर का
Yes, hunter, female of hunter.
फीमेल मैम आई डोंट नो
का क्या होता है? Hunter is huntress. Seventh one. God. Female of God. Pari.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Next one. Next one, beta. My voice is coming. I can't hear your voice. Okay. Next one is bull. Next one is bull. Who will tell me the answer of bull? Aditya Yadav. Aditya Yadav. Aditya, your voice is not coming. Aditya Yadav, your voice is not coming. Aditya.
Center of
Okay. Okay, Nityang, unmute yourself. Nityang, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, cow.
Yes.
Ma'am, cow.
Yes, very good. Very good, very good. Cow. Okay, ninth one. Nityang, mute yourself. Ninth one. Sun. Sun. Amrit. Amrit Sehgal.
Yes.
Beta,
Ma'am,
what is the family?
Sunny's daughter.
Beta, what you are saying, I can't hear you. What you are saying?
Ma'am, daughter.
Yes, daughter. Very good. Mute yourself. Daughter. Say feminine of sun is daughter. And the last one, peacock. Who will tell me the answer of this? I had given you example also with this. Peacock. Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi. Siddhi. Yes. Beta, what is the feminine of peacock? पीकॉक का फेमिनाइन क्या होगा बेटा? Okay, okay, Siddhi, mute yourself. Siddhi, mute yourself. Some other children. Peacock का होगा. I will tell you the answer. Peahen. I am telling the answer. Peahen. We don't change P. We don't change this exercise. C exercise. What was this? Milkman, milkmaid. Nephew, niece. Monk. ये करो जल्दी. Monk, nun. Waiter, waitress. Sir, madam. Hunter, huntress. God, goddess. Bull, cow. Son, daughter, or peacock, peahen. Got it, all of you children? Now I'm rubbing the board. We will do the D exercise. Okay. We will be doing the D exercise. I'm not rubbing the below part because many of must have not written it. I will rub it afterwards. Okay, now D exercise. Rewrite the following sentences with opposite gender. Okay, I will. Okay, I'm rubbing it because I have to see. Put the blackboard like that. Okay, children. Okay, first one. Rewrite the following sentences with opposite gender of the colored nouns. Okay, this I will write it for you. You have to write it in your copy. At present, you can write it in your Rough copy. Okay, children, I'm writing the answer for you. First one, the host welcome the guest. I'm not writing the question. Host welcome the guest. D1, first one. Beta, I'm writing the answer. Just pay attention that I'm writing the answer. What we have to change? We have to change host. So host, what will be the feminine of host? Hostess. Hostess. The hostess welcome the guests. Beta, you can write it in on that top, but you have to write it this in your copy. Hostess, what we have changed? We have changed hostess. So what was the correct answer? The hostess welcome the guest. Okay, children. Second one, my sister went to the marriage party. What we have to change? Okay, children, who will tell me the answer of this? My sister went to the marriage party. Yes, Maitri.
Yes, ma'am.
My sister went to the birthday party, marriage party. What will be the
Sister. Sister.
sister का क्या होगा बेटा? What will be the answer of that? Sister का क्या होगा?
Ma'am, brother.
What will be the? We have to change this sister. So sister का
Ma'am,
what will be
brother.
the feminine?
Ma'am.
Brother. Yes, yes. What will be? It will be brother. So I'm writing, changing and then writing that brother. Okay, children. Okay, Maitri, mute yourself. My brother went to the marriage party. Okay. Third one, the wizard carried away the little boy. The wizard carried. Wizard is what? Chudel. Yes, the wizard carried away. What we have to change? We have to change the word wizard. Yes, who will tell me the answer of this? Anvi, the wizard carried Yes, children, my voice is coming. Yes, children, now we were doing third one. The wizard carried away the little boy. What will be the answer of this? What will be the wizard verb? What we have to change? We have to change boy. Okay. So who will tell me the answer of this? Boy. What will be the female of boy? Anvi?
Girl.
Yes, Anvi. Girl. Yes.
Girl.
So very good. Write the answer. I have written the questions. You can write the answers.
Ma'am, next one I can speak.
No. Mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next one. My nephew has bought a small dog. My nephew has bought a small dog. We have to change nephew. Who will tell me the answer? Khushi Sharma. My nephew has bought a small dog. Khushi, unmute yourself. Beta, what will be this answer of this? My nephew has bought a small dog. What will feminine of nephew? Knees. It is called knees, not knife. It is called knees. What is the feminine of nephew? Knees. Mute yourself. Knees. Okay, children. Are you understanding? I am writing only the answer. You have to write it in your copy. Now, fifth one. The nun blessed the new married couple. The nun blessed the new married couple. Who will tell me the answer of this? Shivom, the nun blessed the new married couple. Yes, Shivom.
The blessed the new married couple.
No,
None.
no, wrong. Wrong. Mute yourself. Some other children. Gopal.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what will be the feminine of nun? The nun blessed the new couple, married couple.
Ma'am, none. Ma'am.
Nun. Do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you. Mute yourself. Okay, nun will be, what will be that gender of nun? It is monk. Okay, what is the gender of nun? It is monk. So all of you have written the answers? Mute yourself. Mute yourself, beta. Okay, now children, have you understood? The hostess welcomed the guest. My brother went to the marriage party. Third one, the wizard carried away the little girl. Fourth one is my niece has bought a small dog. The monk blessed the newly married couple. Got it, all of you? Now all of you have written this. Now we have done with this exercise. One exercise is left. This is your homework. Identify the words if they are masculine, feminine, neuter, or gender. E1 is your homework. E exercise is your homework. Tomorrow I will see. We'll discuss this. E exercise is your homework. What we have to do in this? In this you have to do, you have to identify whether the masculine it is, feminine it is, neuter it is, or common gender. Okay, 4 options you are given. You have to find out that. Okay, children. Now we have done with this. If you are having any problem, okay, better time is up. So we'll meet tomorrow, and all of you have to do your homework. Okay. And listen, children, one thing, I had put the worksheets in your that portal. All of you can check the worksheets of all the chapters of language and literature, both the worksheets.